Children, come sit with me in the garden.
Yes, Dad, we are coming. I want to hear what you will teach today.
Your father has an important lesson for you.
What lesson is it, Dad?
Yeah.
Today we will talk about hard work.
Why is hard work so important?
Because success never comes without effort.
Lazy people only dream about success.
I like playing more than working.
Playing is good, but work builds the future.
Can hard work really change life?
Yes, hard work can change everything.
Did you work hard when you were young?
Yes, I worked every day in the fields.
Was it very difficult?
Sometimes it was very difficult.
But your father never gave up.
Then
What happened because of that?
our family slowly built a good life. So hard work brings results.
Exactly, my daughter. But success takes a long time.
Good things always take time.
Patience and effort go together.
What happens if someone is lazy?
Laziness steals opportunities.
That sounds very serious.
It is very serious for the future.
Lazy habits create weak lives.
I sometimes feel lazy in the morning.
Everyone feels that sometimes.
Then what should we do?
We must control our laziness.
Discipline makes people strong.
What is discipline, Dad?
Discipline means doing the right work on time.
That sounds like a good habit. Good habits build strong character.
Can children become successful too?
Of course, success begins in childhood.
How can we start now?
Start with small responsibilities.
Help at home and study sincerely.
I can help you in the garden.
That would be wonderful.
I can help Mom in the kitchen.
That will make me very happy.
Hard work sounds like teamwork.
Yes, families grow through teamwork.
What if we fail sometimes?
Failure is part of learning.
Even mistakes can teach wisdom. So failure is not the end?
No, it is a step towards success.
That makes me feel brave.
Brave hearts never fear effort.
I want to become successful one day.
Then begin with hard work today.
I will study harder from now.
The one who never stops working honestly.
Success must feel very good.
Yes, but effort feels even better.
Effort builds confidence in the heart.
I feel motivated now.
Motivation must turn into action.
Action brings real change.
And change brings progress.
Dad, Can hard work change the world?
Yes, every great change begins with effort.
Even big leaders worked hard.
Exactly. Success never appears suddenly.
I will wake up early tomorrow.
Early mornings build strong habits.
I want to make you proud, Dad.
Your effort already makes me proud.
Hard work feels like a powerful key.
Yes, it opens many doors. Lazy people close their own doors.
I don't want to close my doors.
Then keep working with dedication.
Dedication makes dreams real.
Dreams need action to grow.
I understand the lesson now.
Tell me what you learned.
Success needs effort and patience, and laziness destroys opportunities.
Excellent answers, my children.
Iman.
Thank you for teaching us.
Parents guide their children towards success.
Children must follow the right path.
Families grow stronger with good values.
E.
I will never forget this lesson.
Remember it every day.
Hard work is the path to success.
Honest effort brings true happiness.
I promise to work hard.
That promise will shape your future.
I promise the same.
We believe in both of you.
I feel excited about the future.
The future belongs to hard-working people.
Hard work makes life meaningful.
Meaningful lives inspire others.
I want to inspire people one day.
Start inspiring through your actions.
Actions speak louder than words.
Good actions bring respect.
Respect feels more valuable than money.
That is a wise thought.
Hard work builds strong character.
Character shapes a person's destiny.
Destiny sounds powerful.
Yes, but destiny follows effort.
Effort creates opportunity.
Opportunity creates success.
Success brings happiness to families.
Happiness grows through dedication.
Dedication grows through discipline.
Discipline grows through daily practice.
I will practice every day.
That will make you stronger.
Hard work will guide our lives.
And goodness will guide our hearts.
I feel proud of our family values.
Our family believes in hard work.
Hard work creates bright futures.
Bright futures create happy lives.
Hard work is the key to success.
Yes, never forget this truth.
We will follow this path always.
Remember, children, success comes only through hard work.